Bitcoin been going up, straight up, only up market for the last 16 years. Okay, you can see this chart started in November 2009. Okay, this is Bitcoin today, 2025, extended as F. In this video, I'm going to show you why we believe the Bitcoin cycle is going to be end very, very soon, or maybe it's already topping out, and why we believe the big Bitcoin cycle is going to be end, and what it means for cryptocurrency. In this video, we're going to share with you all that. Sir, make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. We want to hear your take about that. Let's go into the video. So look, this is the Bitcoin banana, okay? This is the Bitcoin banana. We're looking on the monthly chart, man. This is 2025. This is 2010, okay? Okay, so that was your first cycle here, okay? I'm gonna show you my Elliott wave counts, okay? So that was your first leg, okay? The first leg up for Bitcoin, okay? I'll show you this here. Sorry about that. This chart is very big. Okay, that was your first leg up. Then this was your second leg down, correction. 1, 2, okay? Now, I believe this was your third leg, okay? From here all the way to here, that was your third leg. Then to 2021 top. Then we had the fourth leg to 2022, and now we are in the fifth leg of the major cycle here, okay? This is the fifth leg of the major cycle. The current bull market is the final fifth leg, in my opinion, of the Bitcoin bull, mega bull, 15, 16 years mega bull cycle, okay? We have every 4 years, we have a cycle, bull cycle, inside a mega bull cycle, okay? Now, if you look on the S&P, okay, I will show you the S&P. Very important to look on the S&P, okay? This is the S&P. I'm gonna remove that. Okay, so as you can see, Bitcoin is going hand in hand with the S&P. The S&P bottomed after the great recession here, okay? This was here, the financial crisis, you know, the 08, 09 financial crisis. S&P collapsed all the way down. Now, Bitcoin was born here, okay? It didn't went through a stock market bear market. And the stock market, this is the S&P, had no bear market since 08. That was not a bear market. At 20%, it's just a correction. A bear market on the S&P is when the S&P is correcting up more than 50%. More than 50%, that was your real bear market here for the S&P. And the S&P as well been going only up since 2008. Now it's 2025. There was no bear market. Now, what I think is going to happen to Bitcoin? Let's go back to Bitcoin. Okay, I will show you the Bitcoin chart again. The big banana. This is the big banana for Bitcoin. The Moon Boys love this banana. We believe it's going to crack. It's going to crack. And we believe Bitcoin is about to have its bigger bear market. That's what we believe. It's going to happen in 2026 all the way to maybe 2029, maybe 2028, maybe 2030. Who knows? No one knows. No crystal ball. Just speculation. This is not a financial advice. I'm just saying, after this kind of a move, I'm expecting some kind of an A, B, C leg that will shock people, okay? Because this thing, you know, it's a bubble. It's a bubble. It's a 16 years bubble. And we believe you're going to have a reset. This is going to be the great reset for crypto. All the Ponzi coins will disappear from the earth. You're going to have only the real normal coins, and the coin market cap coins. All these coins are going to disappear completely. And Bitcoin will survive, and only the bangers of the bangers, Ethereum and many others. Okay, but look, we think that's going to happen. Now again, we think you're going to have 2026 going to be bearish. Again, that's my speculation. 2026 going to be bearish. Then 2027 gonna be bullish, okay? It's gonna be bullish, but it will not make a new high, okay? It will not clear the high of the cycle. I'm not sure the cycle high is in, but the next bull run move on 2027 will not clear the high, and then we're gonna go lower and take the low, and probably gonna go take that low, the 15K low. In my opinion, again, my 2 cents, not a financial advice. and maybe even pierce all the way to like the 10 or the 10 or below even, who knows. But that's my 2 cents. I'm expecting a big correction for Bitcoin, a big correction, okay? Multi-year bear market for Bitcoin, okay, which you're gonna have tons of opportunities for trading, whether it's short or long. Amazing trades gonna come, and that will set up and reset the crypto market before you get another complete business cycle of 16 years, okay? And remember, man, in markets, they gotta get a reset, okay? This thing is so extended, and you can see how it's making marginally higher highs, marginally higher highs. You can see each cycle, the high is getting smaller and smaller. The difference between the high getting smaller and smaller, the peaks getting smaller. It shows exhaustion of trend, and it shows it might want to correct, just like the S&P had in the 2000s, and then to start another melt up. Because we believe Bitcoin will continue. Bitcoin will go to the moon. We believe Bitcoin will go probably to $1 million, man, in the next 10, 20 years or so. But before that, we believe you're going to have a great reset for the whales to accumulate, and then you're going to see a major explosion in the crypto market. So that's, for me, that's my 2 cents. Again, now, also, if you look on the stochastic RSI, okay, on the monthly picture. This is the monthly. Okay, this is the first time ever you have a triple bearish divergence on the monthly chart. Never happened in the history of Bitcoin. Let's take it step back. Okay, let's go look on the 3-month chart, okay? The 3-month candles, okay? 3-month, okay? It's still going up. We still don't have a cross. Let's look on the 2-month. On the big picture, it's good to look. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 classic. Let's look on the 3-month. 3 months. Probably still going up as well. The 2 months, sorry, still going up as well. Okay, but still, I'll show you also the RSI. Let's look on the RSI, the regular RSI on the monthly. This is actually better. If you look at the 2 month, okay, this is the RSI on the 2 month. Okay, that was your first picks here. You can see how the RSI is not going to the same level. That was the early days. The 2017 peak was almost 100 on the RSI on the 2 month. Here, then in 2021, it reached 90, 91. This cycle still didn't hit even 80. Okay, that's pathetic. Look at the monthly. You can see the overbought here. The overbought is going to the overbought. Where is it? We don't see that in the RSI yet. And the time is running. The clock is ticking. The 4-year cycle is about to end. That's our 2 cents for you guys. By the way, don't forget to smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Let me show you a trade we took. Meanwhile, remember, we're going to trade it. We're going to short it. We're going to long it. There is always tons of opportunities on the Bitcoin and the crypto market. I'll show you a trade we took yesterday, man, 2 days ago. This one was the trade. Okay, it's called H. Okay, I shared it in the October 13 on the membership. Okay, you can see buy now. Price was 82. All my members, buy now. But they bought it. Look at that. They bought it, put the capital, 5K, 10K, whatever, depends on the account. Look at that. Put the stops. Look at that. 82. Remember, 82. That's H. Let me show you the H trade, man. Unbelievable pump. Look at that. That's the H trade, man. Exploded to all our order from 82. We actually got stopped. I got stopped out on my runner in a massive profit. Look at that. Max gains. We had 150%. You can see there is always another opportunity if you know what you're doing. This was a huge pump. Completely send our account higher. Really. By the way, get yourself Bitunix account, the best exchange to trade crypto, no KYC, no VPN. Link below. Okay, we also have tutorials on how to short. Learn how to short because the shorting season is coming, man, whether you like it or not. And really, this is the time you want to be subscribing to the right channels. You want to be following the right people. You don't want to follow the moon boys, the toilet people, the clowns from X. All these people will get you completely wrecked. They will blow up your account. They already blow up your account. Your account is cooked if you've been following all these clowns. You know who I'm talking to. You know who I'm talking about. The clowns that calling for an extended cycle. The clowns that calling for Bitcoin 200, 250. The clowns that are calling for altcoin season of your cooked coins. All these people are going to make you completely poor. Stop listening to these people. unsubscribe from all these clowns. Join our VIP. Check it out. We have trade alerts coming every day, market updates every day. Now we're waiting for the Bitcoin to show us the way. If it start dumping, breaking below 107, short. Join our VIP. Come trade with us. And really, that's the best time to join the VIP, because we're gonna be ready once Bitcoin will bottom out. Even if it's gonna flip bearish now, even if it's gonna trigger a bear market, it's gonna run down, then it's gonna bottom out, bounce. For multi-month bounce, you get this multi-month bounce usually twice in a bear market year. Okay, so this is time to go long. Okay, not only short. So this is the time you want to be in our VIP, because that's gonna be an amazing year. It's gonna be an amazing year coming. It's gonna be an amazing time to trade crypto. And yeah, we can still get an altcoin rally if Bitcoin, for example, drop, bottom out, bounce, let's say to a new high, or maybe to retest the high for a couple of weeks. If maybe the Fed gonna print, and we'll send crypto for a final blow off top. Anyway, we're gonna be ready. We're gonna be ready. We're gonna be waiting. We're gonna be watching the best coins always, the best trades for our members. Check it out. See you in the next video. Cheers.